Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, tomorrow we're going to head into a new trading week. I think today we're going to see a little bit of volatility. Maybe we can wrap this entire structure up today or late towards the weekly candle close. Yesterday we saw that move to the upside we talked about to exactly 22,600. You can see again how powerful the Fibonacci levels are. A lot of people already got bullish here. But the thing is, when you listen to the last video, my view was that we had two counts here, a possible triangle count to go directly down or a Y wave to go up and then down in this particular structure. With this Y wave, yeah, what I highlighted to you, if we break above 22.4K, which was the triangle end, yeah, then we probably have a chance to reach first 22.6K, and if we break that, 22.8. And that the 38.2 Fib level is normally the most reliable Fib level, the most likely one for a fourth wave. And obviously we talk about this being a fourth wave as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern in a third wave, in a larger third. Let me actually adjust that slightly here, like that. Yeah. So this is the fourth and most likely. And the fact that it got rejected perfectly from this 38.2 Fib level makes me wonder if we start the breakdown today. Because it means that technically, at least, we could have in this WXY, could be in. And by the way, didn't we also look at the length of wave W and wave Y? And didn't that work out perfectly? Let me see. There you go, the 1-to-1 ratio. That's the level I highlighted as well in the previous video. 22,650, even more reliable, yeah. So the wick, amazing. The wick closed, or the candle just closed at the 38.2, but the wick reached the 1-to-1 ratio target. So I think there's at least, again, always bear the, consider that these micro counts are to be taken with a pinch of salt. Don't trust them massively, but they can act as a guide here on the smaller time frame. But certainly we've got enough waves complete to look out for the breakdown now. This doesn't mean the breakdown has to start. We could even, this could be the larger wave W, this WXY. It could be a larger W wave or A wave. We could now get down and move up again. So this could always extend out, something like that, yeah. These can always extend out. But the thing is, in Elliott Wave, when you have a corrective pattern complete, and I would argue we have a corrective pattern complete, which means it doesn't need to lead to a breakdown now, but it means we have enough waves. We need to be looking for a breakdown and have to expect it. In my opinion, that move down here in the third wave will be confirmed, or well, in the fifth of the third, it will happen if we break below the last swing low. 22,157 will be basically a breakout signal. If we get and sustain below that, it indicates this fifth wave has started, the fifth wave of the third. And as I highlighted in the last video, either one more wave down or two more waves down are what I expect. And that's the case as long as we stay below 22,784. Because if we go above that level, we have to consider the low was already in. So and what that means, you need to decide for your, for your tactics. I've decided that, shared yesterday on Telegram, Discord, my plans. And but I have to leave that for the channel members. Just to be fair. And from here, the move down could look as follows. But again, this is even more micro counting. We could say this sort of engulfing red candle, sort of engulfing, could have been a wave 1 of 5. Here, maybe we are now in the process of doing the wave 2, could still get a little leg up, to get a clear 3-wave move. And then we could head down like that. But this is really subject to change this count. So that would be ideally how I would like to see this play out. Yeah, maybe one more little leg up, but not much, and then come down or directly down now. It's sort of, we've done enough here in this. This is the micro level really. I can go to the, if you go to the 15-minute chart, you can see that the move down looked certainly impulsive. The move up currently looked corrective here. And yeah, this move down looks also corrective. So it could very well be we're still in the wave 2, A, B, C. Yeah. And if we look at the Fib levels for this move, so this could even go up all the way, in my opinion, to 22,256. this is the 78.6 Fib level as sort of a maximum. Above that level, I wouldn't say anymore that this is a wave 2. But yeah, see that as a guide maybe, you know. But yeah, that's sort of where we are currently with Bitcoin. So, I mean, again, this can still carry on sideways. It can, because we haven't got the breakout. So as long as the corrective pattern is still running, this can still extend out. But I think we have a case that we can make that this is already the start of the move down. So at least be ready. And could we rally from here? Yes, but is it likely? In my opinion, not yet. But because we could, you know, think about what that means for your strategy. A lot of altcoins are in the process of bottoming out. We've got some other asset classes that have bottomed last week or this week. For example, gold, silver, probably. Nat gas, we've seen bottoming. And I think we are getting back into a little bit of a risk-on mode in the next 1 or 2 weeks. We'll see. It will be interesting. So again, I hope you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.